like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
For Christmas.
At this time, doing what I want.
With these two and the two and
Hope you doing what you want.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
oh, hey Williams fam, I hope you guys are doing good and having a blessed day. I'm sorry. Hey girl, I am currently sick. I have not been doing well at all. And I also have, yeah, pardon? I know. Just use the code. I also have surgery coming up. Oh my gosh. I am not looking forward to that. Faith also has surgery coming up too. We literally have surgeries back to back. But she's having hers exactly 3 weeks before my surgery, and then I'm having my surgery. Guys, we have so much going on. I don't know what happened to my back. I can hardly walk. I just been going through a lot. But thankful for God. Like, as you see, I'm sick. My voice is in and out. I just been going through so much. But like I say, nothing beats prayer. It's funny how we always say people always see people, but at the end of the day, people will see people smiling and they just think that everything is so good and perfect in their life. And they always say the most people that are going through things in their life, they hide their pains, their sorrows with a smile on their face. Because really and truly, you definitely don't know what someone is going through unless like somebody actually comes out and they tell you what is going on in their life and you actually find out. The guys are gone. It's just me and Rissa home right now. Faith and Romario just left. They went to the market. So I've been sick over more than a week now. Mario was sick. And he wasn't doing good. He had to be off of work as well. I didn't even know. At one point, I thought I caught COVID again. But then I realized, no, that's not what it is. And then I had to go sign the paperwork and get all the stuff done, prep for my surgery. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, I can't believe. You know, like, surgery is such a serious thing. It's literally a life and death situation. And, you know, it's something that is not to be played with. And let me say this. Kudos to the girls them that go and, boy, they get their body done, for the sake of just, you know, wanting to get their body done. Because surgery, from you go under the anesthesia, from you go under, you might not pull back out. And that has happened to people, right? So, like, the way I always look at it, unless you really have to get surgery, boy, I try to stay away from underneath the knife. They always say people in the medical field, never. Because even with doctors, most doctors, majority of doctors, about 90% of them, they rather not go underneath the knife, even though they have put people under and, you know, they've had surgeries on people than themselves. And it's just a fact. You could ask any basically people that are generally in the medical field. They would rather help other people than they go under, you know. So yeah, Fate's about to have surgery as well, and she has to go under too because it's not a surgery where you could be awake. Mine, I can't be awake. I asked, and they said no. They have to put me out, and you know it's scary doing surgery because so much things run in your head of just knowing that there's people that's gone in for surgery, they've never made it out. And obviously you do want to think the most positive, you try to always think positive. You try not to think negative or anything like that. But we just have so much going on. There's so much coming up, and I know I haven't been vlogging. I've been getting content, but I haven't gotten the time to edit and update you guys and all that stuff. But hopefully we will update you guys soon. I'm not sure when, but we will definitely maybe update, either go live one day and just update you guys. And to all our new subscribers, hi, and welcome to all our returning subscriber family. Thank you guys for continue to rocking with us. Yeah, thank you guys. We really appreciate the love, and thank you for the ones that have been checking in just to see how we are doing, because they haven't seen us posting and stuff like that. Thank you for that. Little man is getting so big, so big. And so big, I can't believe he's growing up on us, So, but right now I'm just kind of laying in bed. Yeah, I can't really move to that. I have a very hard time just even getting up to go to the bathroom on my own. I've been getting help from everybody in the house just to do that. But only God knows. God alone who knows. But yeah, and so we've just been up to a lot, and I was debating whether to share this journey with you guys or not. Still a debate. If I ended up put it in here, then you'll see it. If not, then you guys will still see it regardless. But we're going through some life changes. Some stuff is just happening. Yeah. So, but anyways, like they say, life is not always up. Sometimes you have downs. Hey guys, welcome back. Stand up, Papa. Oh Lord. So it's the next day after I went to the hospital. Back kind of felt a little bit better, but still having issues. But anyways, it's cold. Get up, Papa. Get up. Maria flatline on the floor. It's cold. He's in his little winter coat. Guys, see, I'm in my winter coat. Yes, he's in winter coat and sandals. Because he has his swimsuit. Maria, get up. His hair was combed, guys, but look at it now. Come, get up, dirty. He's having a hard time. He's not used to the come. Take off his suit off him. Oh gosh. He doesn't like the coat. This is his first time actually wearing it. No. Come, let's go swimming. Yeah, let's go swimming. Yay! You and Faith are going swimming today? Come. Yeah, so Faith is going to be the one that's taking him swimming because my back, my back is still hurting. Oh gosh. Yeah, I was strung up on IV yesterday and stuff, but yeah. Oh, Mario. Go! Good boy! Three. Oh, we're looking at some sets for back home. These are cute. For the veranda. The little sets. Cute. Oh, alright. Pops fell asleep. Oh. Oh. Oh, does that have the table? Hello. Oh, what are these? Oh, look. See, they have the little mats. So cute. This, look. Maybe it doesn't want to stay. Oh, this looks nice. Look at this. And nice stuff to put in your backyard. Oh, look. See, Faith? I'd want two of those to go at the side. This, I want one of these to go on the... See, I'd want this for the veranda. Look. That. I wonder how much that is. But these are nice though. Even this one here. This is not bad. A little table set. See the pampas grass and stuff. Oh, slippers. I know. I was just looking at it. They need them for the friggin' floor.
100%, like, especially with Carl.
Maybe not Arnold. We have the Christmas stuff. What's that? Yeah. Like even these chairs here.
This would be cute for like an outside backyard.
Yeah, something like if you're gonna have dinner, we need something like that. These chairs. See, look, to go on the veranda. What do you think? You like it? I like this. Yeah, this would work. Yeah, I like this. Or even this one. A kitchen mount. Oh, they have the standing mirrors here. The little plants. Oh, Faith, look at these. They're Christmas. You get it for the Christmas stockings. Christmas is in full swing. The tree skirt. Too cute. Is it a little olive tree? Like, oh, there's the things I'm here, over here. This is what I was telling Mario to put. Oh, of course not. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Oh, yeah. I definitely know.
Cute little ones.
Yeah, I know. They're cute little accent pieces.
Look at that now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it looks like. That's so cute. Okay, now it's making me want a lamp.
Yeah. So look, it would be this one.
No, I'm not talking
They
about
have the
this,
different
I'm talking about
size.
this. Look at it. It's so pretty.
I know, it's cute. It's nice. I like it. Yeah. So like this, get two of these to add it to N. I don't want. Okay. Hi, Pop Pop. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. So, what is it, the shelf that you're looking for, Faith? You see it in here? The shelf you were talking about? So do you want the block one, right?
Not black.
The covered one?
I have to show a picture of
Ooh. I need a new bath mat. Yeah, definitely need a new bath.
I remember I got one of these from the store. It was blue. From Good City Candy.
See, they have these ones. See, they have these things here.
This is kind of like my better. Except
Look.
this is more safe.
So they have the queen one up there. Okay, I gotta find out who I talk to. What is this one?
What's a mattress? It's not a cover.
No, I'll go see if I can find somebody to help me. Like they have these ones for here. I know.